Hi everyone, this video is going to show you the steps to downloading and using the FullScreen interactive extension app on Google. So after you click the link in the email, it is going to bring you to this page, the Chrome Web Store. When you get to this page, you're going to select Add to Chrome, and then you will click Add Extension. Once the extension has been added, it will show up here in your little extension bar. Sometimes it won't be one of the three to select from. So to do that, you are going to click the bar, and then you will see an icon where you can pin what extensions you would like to access. So I'm going to pin this, and I'm all set. Now that this has been installed on your Chrome page, what you can now do is go to any Google Slides you have, and when you're in the middle of teaching class, and instead of having to go back and forth from showing full screen to then having to escape to type, you can click this little add-on and it will enlarge the screen for you, and it will allow you to type on the screen as well while you are teaching. So if I needed to add another page that we found evidence on, I can write page 14 and 15, and my students would be able to see it enlarged on the board instead of having it minimized when you have to exit out. Once you're done typing, or if you need to close out, you can just hit the escape and it will bring it back for you. And that is how you download and install and use this awesome extension on Google Chrome.